If you've ever opened the Word document and been confused by extra spacing, weird formatting, or pages that just won't behave, there's a good chance a section break is causing the issue. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a section break in Microsoft Word the easy way, so you can clean up your document and get your formatting back under control. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and head up to the Home tab. This is where you'll find the Show/Hide button, which looks like the paragraph symbol, the little P icon. Click that button to turn on formatting marks. This is an important first step because section breaks are usually invisible when formatting marks are turned off, so you may not even realize they're there. Once you turn on Show/Hide, look through your document until you see the section break marker. It may appear as a line of text that says section break, often followed by the type of break, like next page or continuous. Now carefully place your cursor immediately before the section break marker. This part matters, because if your cursor is in the wrong place, Word may not remove the break correctly. With your cursor positioned just before the section break, press the delete key on your keyboard. In many cases, that will remove the section break instantly. If you accidentally place your cursor after the break instead, you may need to use backspace. But the safest method is usually to click right before it and press delete. Now, if the document formatting changes after removing the section break, don't panic. That's normal. Section breaks often control margins, headers, footers, columns, and page orientation, so deleting one can cause content to shift. If that happens, you may need to recheck the formatting in the surrounding sections and adjust it as needed. If you're having trouble finding the break, zoom in a little and scroll carefully through the document. Sometimes section breaks are hidden close to the bottom of a page or between large blocks of text. Turning on Show/Hide makes this much easier because it reveals exactly where Word is separating sections. And just to be clear, this method is different from deleting a page break. A section break affects more advanced formatting settings, so removing it can have a bigger impact on the document layout. That's why it's always a good idea to save a copy of your file before making changes, especially if you're working on an important report, assignment, or business document. So, to quickly recap, go to the Home tab, click Show/Hide to reveal formatting marks, find the section break marker, place your cursor right before it, and press delete. That's all it takes to remove a section break in Microsoft Word. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple Word tutorials that save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.